Good morning everyone. So in the last class we have studied the formation of matrices. Okay. So there we have constructed only 2 cross 2 matrix. Today let us construct a different order matrix now. Okay. So formation of matrix here. So in the last class we have solved 2 questions based on the construction. So third one, construct a 2 cross 3 matrix. So matrix A equals Aij. Okay. So here where the element Aij is in the form of modulus I minus j. Okay. So here we have to construct a 2 cross 3 matrix. So matrix A is given in the general form where each element Aij is in the form of modulus of I minus j. Modulus means if we get the negative value, we have to write in the positive because there is a modulus. Okay. 2 cross 3. 2 rows, 3 columns. Let us write the general form. Matrix A equals 2 rows. So here we have to write 2 rows. A11, A21. See here, 1 row, second row. How many columns? 3 columns. 1. So here, A12, A13. See here, 1 column, second column, third column. Let us fill completely. 3 columns are there. Okay, A21, A22, A23. So each element is given in the form of modulus I minus j. So here first element is in the form of Aij is modulus I minus j. First element A11, I value is 1, j value is 1. So if we substitute in this formula, modulus of 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, modulus of 0 is 0. Okay. So let us move on to the second element A12, that is equal to modulus I value is 1, j value is 2, that is 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Since we have modulus, it becomes plus 1. So here we get plus 1. So let us move on to the third element A13, which is equal to, again we have to take the same formula, modulus I value 1, j value 3, that is 1 minus 3. We get 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 is plus 2. So since we have modulus, it becomes plus. Okay. So now comes to the second row now. So second row, first element is A21. A21 is equal to, so here I value is 2, j value is 1. So modulus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So modulus of 1 is 1. Okay. So second element A22. A22 means I value 2, j value 2. So if you substitute in formula, modulus 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. So here we get 0. So last element A23. A23 equals modulus 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 means we get minus 1. So modulus of minus 1 is plus 1. So last element is plus 1. So this is the required matrix of order 2 cross 3. Okay. So next question is construct a 3 cross 2 matrix. 3 cross 2 means 3 rows, 2 columns of the matrix. So matrix is in general form where each element is in the form of e power ix into sin jx. This is a trigonometric function. Don't take this I. Okay. Sin jx. So 3 cross 2. Let us write the general form. 3 rows, 2 columns. 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. That is A11, A21, A31. See here. First row, second row, third row. How many columns? 2 columns. Here we have already 1 column. Then we have to write another column. That is A12, A22. So here A32. So this is the general form. So let us find each elements now. matrix. First element is A11. So A11 is equal to I value 1, J value 1. Substitute in this formula. We get e power I value 1 means 1 into x, x sine J value 1, 1 into x, x. We get e power x sine x. Okay. So next element is A12. That is A12 is equal to, so I value 1, J value 2. So substitute in this formula, we get e power I value is 1, 1 into x, x into sine. So j value 2, 2 into x, 2x. That is e power x sine 2x. Okay. So next comes to the second row. Second row, first element is A21, which is equal to, here I value 2, J value 1. So substitute in the formula, we get e power 2x. I value 2 iradrinda 2 into x is 2x into sine J value is 1, 1 into x, x. So therefore here we get e power 2x sine x. Okay. So second row, second element is A22. So here I value 2, J value 2. So if we substitute, we get e power I value 2, 2 into x, 2x into sine J value 2, 2 into x sine 2x. So here we get e power 2x sine 2x. So now let us move on to the last row, third row. So third row, first element is A31. So here I value is 3, J value is 1. So formula becomes e power 3x into sin x. Okay. So e power 3x into sin x. So for last element, element is A32. So if we substitute in the formula, I value 3, J value 2. So formula becomes e power 3x sine 2x. Okay. So here there is I. 3 into x is 3x into sine J value 2. 2 into x 2x. That is e power 3x sine 2x. So this is the required matrix which is of the order 3 cross 2. See the next question. What is the number of all possible matrices? See here. What is the number of all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry 0 or 1? That means we have to find the number of matrices we get of order 3 cross 3 if we take the elements inside the matrix are 0 or 1. We have to use only these two elements. Okay. So here there are two ways. That means each entry. So this question was very important for 1 mark. Each entry can be filled by 0 or 1 in two different ways, right? Either we can use 0 or 1 in two different ways. Okay. So here the required matrices of order 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3 means how many elements? 9 elements. That means each matrix should contain 9 elements. Therefore, the required number of matrices is required number of matrices are in the form of, see here, it is very simple. We have two ways, that is 0 or 1. There are two different ways. Okay, suppose here if we have three different ways, we have to take 3. So here, since each matrix is required 9 elements, because the order is 3 cross 3, we have to take 9 elements for each matrix. So therefore here we get 9. Okay, so 2 power 9. 2 power 9 value is 512. Therefore, we can construct 512 matrix by using 0 or 1 entries of order 3 cross 3. Suppose if they give 3 ways, so therefore 3 power 9. If the order is 2 cross 2, we get 2 power 4. 2 cross 2 means we have to take 4 elements for each matrix. So therefore 2 power 4 is the required matrix. Similarly, so what is the number of possible matrices? Number of possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry with each entry 2 or 0. See here also they are given two entries 2 or 0. That means in each matrices we can use only the elements 2 or 0. So we have to construct the number of matrices of order 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3 means each matrix requires 9 elements. That is, each entry can be filled by two entries, that is 0 or 2 or 2 or 0 in two different ways. Okay. So therefore the required number of matrices equals. So here we have again two ways. So therefore it is 2. Since we have to construct 3 cross 3 matrix means, so each matrix requires 9 elements. Therefore 2 power 9. Again 2 power 9 value is 512. So this is the number of matrices required. So by using the elements 2 or 0. Okay. So next is addition and subtraction of matrices. So that means we have to add the matrices, okay, 2 matrices or 3 matrices. If we want to subtract any 2 matrices or 3 matrices, how to add and how to subtract? So here for addition and subtraction, if we want to take the addition of matrices and subtraction of matrices, the orders of that matrix must be always same, okay. So here first let us take the addition. If I consider the matrix in general form, matrix A is A, B, C, D, okay, and matrix B is P, Q, R, S, okay. So here we can observe here matrix A is of the order 2 cross 2. So here we can observe matrix A is of the order 2 cross 2. Similarly, matrix B is also is of the order 2 cross 2. Here we have 2 rows and 2 columns, okay. So if we want to add these two matrices, the addition of these two matrices is represented by, see here, matrix A plus matrix B. Matrix A plus matrix B is equal to. So here, if we are adding the two matrices, that is matrix A is AB, CD plus. So here we have plus matrix B, P, Q, R, S. Okay. So for addition, we have to add their corresponding elements. That means first element is added with the first element, that is A plus P. First row second element is added with first row second element, B plus Q. Okay. So for second row, first element is added with first element, C plus R, and last element is added with last element. We get D plus S. Okay. So this is the addition of matrices. Here order of A is 2 cross 2, order of B is 2 cross 2. So here we are taking the addition of these two matrices means the resulting is also having same order as that of A and B. See here. So A plus B we have completed. What is the order of A plus B now? 2 cross 2. Same as the matrix A and B. Okay. Similarly for subtraction, if we take the subtraction, we get A minus B is equal to, subtraction of matrices A minus B is equal to, matrix A is A, B, C, D minus, we are subtracting minus, matrix B is P, Q, R, S. Okay. So subtraction of matrices means we have to subtract their corresponding elements. That means first row first element is subtracted with first row first element, that is A minus P. So first row second element is subtracted with first row second element B minus Q. So now comes to the second row. Second row first element is subtracted with second row first element C minus R. C minus R. So last element is D minus S. D minus S. So here this is the subtraction of matrices. What is the order of this matrix? Again we are getting 2 cross 2. So in subtraction also we get the order same as that of the given matrix A and B. Okay. So this is the addition and subtraction of matrices. Suppose if we multiply any constant with any one of the matrices, then what is the resultant we get? Let us take the constant as K. K. So we are multiplying this constant K with matrix A. Then K into A. So matrix is represented by K into A. That means we are multiplying the constant K with matrix A. So that is given by here K is constant K into. So matrix A means A, B, C, D. Okay. So here if we are taking this constant K inside the matrix means we have to multiply this K for each elements of the matrix. So here we get K into A, Ka. Okay. So K into B, Kb. K into C, Kc. K into D, Kd. Okay. So see here, what is the order of this matrix now? So here also we are getting 2 rows, 2 columns. Therefore order is 2 cross 2. That means here also there is no changes in the order. So that means we have to, if we multiply any constant with the matrix, the order does not changes. Okay. So these are the important points we have to recall for the next problems. So now let us see the problems on addition and subtraction of matrices. Okay. So here if matrix A 2 4 3 2, matrix B 1 3 minus 2 5 and matrix C minus 2 5 3 4. Find A plus B, that means addition. Second one A minus B, subtraction. Third one 3A minus C. Okay. So let us find the first one now. So first one is A plus B. A plus B equals matrix A 2 4 3 2 plus matrix B 1 3 minus 2 5. So here we can observe matrix A and matrix B is having the orders 2 cross 2 same. That means we can add easily, right? So here addition, we have to add their corresponding elements. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 4 plus 3, 7. Second row first element. See here 3 plus into minus minus. If we are adding means take directly the sign of the element. Okay. For addition, only for addition. 3 minus 2. We get 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay. So this is A plus B. So second one A minus B. So matrix A minus B. Matrix A 2 4 3 2 minus B. Matrix B is 1 3 minus 2 5. Okay. So now we have to subtract. See here the sign minus. So we have to subtract their corresponding elements. 2 minus 1 1. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 minus, we are subtracting, but here next element is minus element. See here 3 minus into minus becomes plus. Okay. Minus into minus plus. So therefore 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 minus 5 minus 3. So this is the subtraction. So last third one. Third one is 3A minus C. That is 3 is constant. 3 into A. Matrix A is 2 4 3 2. Okay. Sign is minus. C. Matrix C is given. Matrix minus 2 5 3 4. Okay. So here we can observe there is a constant 3 outside the matrix. First, we have to simplify the 3 inside the matrix. Then we have to move for subtraction. Okay. So let us multiply now. We are multiplying constant 3 inside the matrix means we have to multiply for each elements. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Okay. Minus. So minus 2, 5, 3, 4. Okay. So here in between these two matrices there is a sign is minus. Then therefore we have to subtract these two matrices. Let us subtract now. See here 6 minus into minus becomes plus 2. 6 plus 2 8. 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay. 9 minus 3 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is 3a minus c. So I think you have understood how to add, how to subtract and how to multiply any constant inside the matrix. So this is the problem based on addition and subtraction.